Good day everyone. So we are the group that assigned to discuss the ERP implementation for Brushat's Coffee. The ERP implementation for Brushat's Cafe Kainta aims to streamline operations, improve efficiencies, and enhance customer satisfaction. Key modules like supply chain management, customer relationship management, and human resource management address pain points such as inventory tracking, order processing, and financial visibility. The report outlines the system design, implementation strategy, and recommendation for successful adoption and continuous improvement. Introduction. This section introduces the project and provides an overview of its objectives. The goal of implementing an ERP system at Brushat's Cafe Kainta is to enhance the company operational efficiencies, reduce manual processes, and support data-driven decision-making. By integrating various business functions into a single system, Brushat's Cafe aims to improve process visibility, streamline operations, and create more agile business model capable of supporting growth. Business scenarios and analysis. Business type. Brushat's Cafe Kainta operates as a mid-sized cafe and beverages business offering a range of specialty, coffee, tea, and snacks. The cafe is part of growing food and beverages industry, where competition is fierce and operational efficiency is key to maintain customers' loyalty and profitability. Pain points. The cafe faces several operational challenges, including efficient inventory management, leading to stock shortage and overstocking, manual tracking of customers' orders, resulting in order delays and errors, limited visibility into employee performance and scheduling, time-consuming financial reporting processes that hinder decision-making. Requirements. To address these challenges, Brushat's Cafe requires an ERP system that can automate inventory tracking and alert staff to reorder points, streamline order processing from customer orders to kitchen preparation, provide a human resource management system to track employee schedules, performance, and payroll, enable real-time financial reporting to support data-driven decision.
So here's the ERP module selection and rationale. Selected modules. First is the supply chain management or SCM. Ensures effective inventory control and supplier coordination. Next is customer relationship management or CRM. Enhances customer service, loyalty programs, and marketing campaigns. Next is human resource management or HRM. Tracks employee information, schedules, and payroll. Next is financial management system or FMS. Manages accounting, billing, and financial reporting. And last is point of sale or POS integration. Link the POS system with ERP to enable real-time tracking of orders and payments. So next is the rationale for module selection. Number 1. SCM improves inventory, visibility, and supplier coordination, ensuring that Brushat's Cafe always has the right stock. So second is CRM. CRM enhances customer engagement through loyalty programs and personalized marketing, increasing customer retention. So next is HRM. HRM simplifies employee tracking, payroll, and performance evaluations, ensuring smooth HR operations. Next is FMS. Centralize financial data and provides real-time reports, supporting better decision-making. And lastly is the POS integration. Link sales data to inventory and financial modules, ensuring streamlined transaction and accurate reporting. So here is the system architecture design. System architecture diagram. So first is the central database and supply chain management or SCM, inventory management system or IMS, customer relationship management or CRM, human resource management or HRM, financial management or FMS, employees, point of sale system or POS, and customers. So, central database. It is the heart of ERP system where all data is stored and shared. So, ERP core modules. Number 1 is supply chain management or SCM. Manages supplier data, inventory, and procurement. So, next is customer relationship management. Handles customer data, orders, and marketing campaigns. So, next is human resource management or HRM. Manages employee records, payroll, and performance. Next is financial management system or FMS. Handles accounting, billing, and financial reporting. Next is inventory management system or IMS. Tracks stock level and product availability. So next is the point of sale system. Links daily transaction with CRM, SCM, and FMS. So external stakeholders. So here's are the suppliers, customers, and employees interact with the system. So here's the description of interactions. Number 1, CSM and POS. POS sales data update inventory levels in SCM in real time. Next is CRM and POS. Customer purchase history in the POS system feeds into CRM, enabling personalized marketing. Next is the HRM and FMS. HRM tracks employee payroll data, which feeds into the FMS payroll processing.
Here's the implementation strategy. Implementation phase. Project preparation. Establish goals, create project team, and define the implementation timeline. System design and configuration. Customize the ERP system to meet the specific needs to Bruchat's Cafe. Data migration and testing. Transfer existing business data into the new system. Conduct testing. Go live and stabilization. Launch the system and address the post-launch issues. Rules and stakeholders. Project managers oversees the implementation process. ERP vendors provide the system and technical support. IT team handles the system configuration, testing, and troubleshooting. End user, cafe staff, manager, and accountants use the system for daily operation. Risk and mitigation strategies. Data loss risk. Mitigate by backing up data before migration. User resistance. Conduct change management training and workshop. System downtime. Plan for contingency support during system launch. Readiness assessment. Technical capabilities assessment. Bruchat Cafe and Kainta most assess its hardware, software, and network capacity to ensure capability with the ERP system, necessary upgrades, and including POS device. Employees workstation and network connectivity. Training needs assessment. Employees training is essential to ensure proper use of the system. Training should focus on navigating the system process, order managing inventory, and generating financial reports.
Process simulation. Selected process overview. The inventory management process is selected for simulation as it directly affects customer service, supplier, coordination, and cost management. Process flowchart. A flowchart illustrates the process from stock request to supplier order, inventory update, and product usage. Step-by-step process flow explanation. Inventory check. The system tracks stock levels and identifies items that need replacement. Order request. An reorder request is sent to supplier. Suppliers deliver. Goods are received and logged into the ERP system. Stock update. The SCM module updates inventory levels. Conclusion and recommendation. Project findings recap. The ERP system for Brushat's Coffee Kainta address critical pain point by automating inventory, improving order accuracy, and enhancing customer engagement. The system also simplifies employee management and financial reporting. Conclusion and recommendation. Actionable recommendation. Ensure stakeholder engagement. Involve key stakeholder in every piece of the project. Conduct comprehensive training. Train all employees to use the system effectively. Focus on continuous improvement. Regularly update and refine system process to meet evolving business needs.